Let me continue chapter 2, Measuring Center. In the last video, I talked about mean. In this video, I'll explain median and mode. First, median. What is the median? Median is the middle number of a ordered dataset. If the dataset has odd number of entries, the median is the middle data entry. If the dataset has an even number of entries, the median is the mean of the two middle data entries. How do we find the position of the median? Yes, it is n plus 1 divided by 2. What is the n? N is the number of observations. Now let me explain some examples. Find the median of the following dataset. The first step to find the median, arrange our dataset in increasing order. This is 0, 2, 3, 5 to 10. How many data here? There are 7 data. That is the odd number, right? Therefore, median is the middle number, which is 5. So, the median is 5. Now, let me consider the even number of observations. Here, there are 8 numbers. So, first step, write our data set in increasing order. Then, we know n equals 8. That means there are 8 observations. That is the even number. Therefore, we need to consider two middle numbers. That is 235 and 250. Then what's the median? Median is the average of two middle numbers. How do we find the average of these two numbers? Add them together, divided by 2. Always divided by 2. That is 242.5. Right. I think you understand how to find the median of a small dataset. Now let me explain mode. What is the mode? The data entry that occurs with the greatest frequency. If no entry is repeated, the dataset has no mode, right? But if two entries occur with the same greatest frequency, each entry is a mode. It will be called bimodal. Now let me explain this example. Find the mode of the following dataset. Okay, you see 3 repeated twice. The other numbers or other observations has only one time, right? Therefore, the mode is 3. How about this? At a political debate, a sample of audience members was asked to name the political party to which they belong. Their responses are shown in the table. What is the mode of the responses? Here you see there are 4 categories: Democrat, Republican, Independent and other or don't know. Then frequency. What is the frequency? For this case, as an example, take the Democrat. There are 40 people. It means 40 people are in the Democrat Party. Right? The Republican, 38. So that is the frequency. Number of Democrat, number of Republican, number of Independent, or number of other don't know. There are 4 of them. Right? So if you write down this as like a previous example, you write Democrat 40 times and Republican 38 times, Independent 27 times, other don't know only 4 times. Therefore, now you understand the repeated, right? Greatest repeated number. What is that? It is the Democrat, 40. Therefore, the mode is 40. Now, let me go to the comparing the mean and median. you know that from chapter 1, there are three types of shapes of the distributions. So let me explain first one, skew to the left. If it is skew to the left, then the smallest number is the mean, and median is greater than mean, and mode is greater than median. Then absolutely you know mode is greater than mean. Actually, again, if skew to the left, the distribution is skewed to the left, then mean is the smallest number and mode is the highest number. But if it is skewed to the right, then other way. The mode is the smallest number and mean is the highest number. And also you can say this. If mode is less than mean, then we can say it is skewed to the right. Okay. But how about the symmetry? If it is symmetric, mean, mode, and median all are the same. Right. I hope you understand now about the mean, median, and mode. In my next video, I am going to continue chapter 2 and talk about measures of variation.